In the bustling corridors of Congress, Democrats and Republicans often appear as fierce rivals, their debates echoing through the halls of power. Despite their apparent differences, moments of unity do occur when both parties come together to enact significant legislation, demonstrating a complex relationship of both conflict and cooperation. This dichotomy stems from a mix of diverse ideologies and the strategic control of various government branches. Although the majority party typically dictates the legislative agenda, there are instances where bipartisan agreements are essential, bridging ideological gaps to tackle national concerns. Such acts of collaboration underscore the essential balance between competition and cooperation in effective governance. Each party's philosophy deeply influences their legislative tactics, impacting the formulation and implementation of laws. This ongoing interaction between the two major parties isn't solely about opposition, it's also about mutual interest for the country's welfare. So there you have it. While this is just a snapshot of the differences between Democrats and Republicans, it's clear that their distinct philosophies shape their approaches to governing. We hope this helps you understand the core distinctions between the two major political parties in the United States. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.